Hi, we're getting ready to cut a part here. It's going to recreate this one. I've got just another piece set up over here. The machine is all zeroed, and what it's going to do is it's going to move here, make some circular motions. It's going to burrow itself down about 1/10 of an inch, and then it's going to widen out the bore. This is a roughing pass with a 7/16 roughing carbide, and it will eventually get its way all the way through this piece of plate steel. It's 1045 plate steel. It's unhardened. So let me just hit the go button, and we'll show the first pass or two of it burrowing down. Later on, we're going to make a finish pass. Right now, the hole is going to be bored about 15 thousandths oversized. Let me just press the go button and I'll be right back. Doing a hill climb. With a 20% walkover on the bit. We'll watch one more pass, and we'll come back when it's done. Nice chips flying there. Get the picture. See you in a bit.